I welcome you all for this course, Grammar and Usage for Undergraduates. In this module, we are going to learn the topic voice. There are two types of voice in English language, active voice and passive voice. Active, it denotes what subject is doing. Subject is doing some action that indicates in active voice. Passive voice, focused action alone, what the action occurred, that indicates in passive voice. Let's see one example. He bought a car. He bought a car. Subject, he did something, that is active voice. In passive, a car was bought by him. Car, the object takes the initial position in passive voice. So this is a difference between active and passive voice. Active voice denotes what the subject is doing. Passive voice denotes what the action occurred. Next, we'll move on to the rules. We have some rules to be followed to transform from active into passive. Let's take one example. He writes a letter. He writes a letter. He subject, writes verb, a letter is an object. He writes. The subject did something. He writes a letter. This is active voice. We are going to transform into passive voice. So what to do? First we have to take the object, a letter. The letter takes the initial position in passive voice. Take the word a letter, then see the tense. He writes in passive, active voice, right? He writes. Take the word writes. It's a singular, simple present tense. So we have to use a letter is also singular. So we are using is auxiliary. A letter is, take the third form of the main verb, write, wrote, written. Take the third form, written. So letter is written. Then we have to add preposition by. A letter is written by, and we have to add the subject. Subject, the active voice is he. It is transformed into him pronoun. Letter is written by him. Like that we have to transform from active into passive. Let's move on to simple present tense. I drive the car. It's an active voice. I drive the car. Take the object, the car. See, it's a singular or plural? It's a singular, the car. Then use is. Drive, it's a main verb. Drive, drove, driven. Take the word driven. The car is driven, add preposition by, and I is changed into me. That's all. The car is driven by me. Like this we have to transform. This is example for singular. Let's move on to plural form. She drives the vehicles. She drives the vehicles. The object is vehicles. Take the word object. The vehicles. It's a plural, not singular. Vehicles, right? So plural. The vehicles, plural, simple present tense. So we have to use are auxiliary. The vehicles are drive, drove, driven. So take the word driven. The vehicles are driven, add preposition by, and she is changed into her. The vehicles are driven by her. Next, move on to present progressive. Here we have to add being, B-E-I-N-G, being, and then V3. This is the rule we have to add when we are transforming from active into passive. See that. First one, they are eating banana. They are eating banana. Banana again, it's object singular. Take the word as it is, banana, singular, so we are using is. So banana is. See the active voice, they are eating. Present progressive. So for ing form, we have to use being in passive voice. So banana is being. Eat, third form, eat, ate, eaten. Take the third form, eaten. Banana is being eaten by, they is changed into them. So banana is being eaten by them. Let's move on to the example for plural. She is buying the chocolates. In active voice, she is buying the chocolates. Chocolates, plural. So we are going to use are. and buying. So being, being should be used. And buy. Third form is buy, bought, bought. Like that we are going to frame now. The chocolates are being bought by, she is changed into her. Okay, the chocolates are being bought by her. Next we'll move on to present perfect tense. For this we have to add has or have plus V3. Has or have plus past participle. Okay, let's see one example for singular. He has bought a treadmill. He has bought a treadmill. Take the object a treadmill, has bought, change into has been bought. Singular. So has. Okay, a treadmill is singular. So we are adding has. And for perfect usage we are adding been. B-E-E-N. It should be added. A treadmill has been bought by, he is changed into him. That's all. A treadmill has been bought by him. Let's move on to the example for plural. Okay. We have bought cookies. We have brought cookies. Cookies. Plural. Okay. We have brought cookies. Plural. So take the object cookies. Cookies plural. So we are adding have. And for perfect, been. And then V3, brought, brought, brought. That's all. Okay. Bring, brought, brought. So cookies have been brought by us. Cookies have been brought by us. Next we'll move on to simple past tense. Here we have to use only V3. That is third form of the verb past part, the same rule. The hunter caught the bird. Simple past tense. The hunter caught the bird. Take the object the bird. So caught is there. Take singular or plural. Yes, the hunter caught the bird. The bird is singular. So we are using past tense singular, was. Okay, we are adding was. The bird was caught by the hunter. Okay, this is the example for singular past tense, simple past tense. Let's move on to plural simple past tense. Let's see the example for active voice. The policeman caught the gangsters. The policeman caught the gangsters. Okay, it's an active voice. The gangsters. It's a plural but simple past tense. So we have to use were auxiliary. The gangsters were caught by the policeman. Okay, like that we have to change. Let's move on to past progressive. Here again the same. Was can be used for singular and were can be used for plural. So, and progressive means the same rule. Being can be added. Was or were plus being. B-I-N-G and then V3. That's all. You see one example. The hunter was catching the bird. Okay, the hunter was catching the bird. The bird is singular, past tense. So was. The bird was being caught by the hunter. Okay, the bird was being caught by the hunter. Let's move on to plural past progressive. Okay, she was catching the butterflies. She was catching the butterflies. Plural, past plural. So use were. The butterflies were. Being must be added. Okay, we should not forget that. The butterflies were being caught by her. Okay, next move on to past perfect. Here also we are going to add only V3 and then been. Okay, because perfect tense means we have to add B-E-E-N. Okay, see one example. They had visited the house. They had visited the house. They had. Okay, so past perfect tense. So perfect tense we have to use been. Take the word here, the house. The house had been visited by. They is changed into them. They had visited the house. The house had been visited by them. One more example. I had written the book. I had written the book. Take the object, the book had been written by. I is changed into me. Okay, the book had been written by me. Next move on to future tense, simple future tense. I will write the book. Simple future, I will write the book. In active voice. The book, for simple future tense, take the word will or shall and then be. B should be added and then V3. That's the rule. The book will be written by, I is changed into me. I will write the book will be written by me. Okay, will or shall plus be plus V3 should be there in simple future tense. Next, move on to future perfect. She will have written the test, or she would have written the test. It's an active voice. Take the object, the test. Again, will is there. So, will have been perfect means we have to use have been and V3. Will or shall plus have been plus V3. So, the test will have been written by, she is changed into her. Okay. Next one, modals. Okay, modal auxiliaries. Here also we have to use only be. Like simple future, we are going to add be. That's all. Let's see one example. They can. Okay, modal auxiliary. Can is used in the sentence. They can win the medal. Take the object medal. The medal can. Take the auxiliary modal and then add be. The medal can be win. Win, won, won. So won. The medal can be won by, they is changed into them. The medal can be won by them. For modal auxiliary, plus be plus V3. That is the rule for passive sentence. Our team will win the cup. Will. Okay. So modal auxiliary will is there. Our team will win the cup. Take the object cup. The cup will be won by our team. I may bought the bag. So may means may be bought. That's all. Okay. I may bought the bag. The bag may be bought by me. Next, move on to imperatives. For imperatives, we have to use some set of sentence like let plus be plus V3. That is the rule we have to use for imperatives. Okay. Hit the nail on the wall. Imperative means we all know that command or request, something like that. For that we have to use the word let. When we are transforming from active into passive, we must use this word let. Again the same for future and modal, we have to use be and then V3. But let must be there in passive imperative. Hit the nail on the wall. Okay. Take the word the wall. Okay. But what to do here? We have to use let. So take the word let. Let the nail be hit on the wall. Okay. Let the nail, let after let, subject should be added. Let the nail be hit on the wall. Next, post the letters. Let the letters be posted. Let letters be posted. Okay. That is the rule for imperatives. Next, move on to negatives. So, negative usage. Negative means we have to use not. That's all. Okay. We will see one example. Some students did not attend the class. Some students did not attend the class. Take the object the class. Did not is there. For the did not means simple past tense. So, we have to use was. The class was not. And then add V3. Attend, attended, attended. So, attended we are going to use here. The class was not attended by some students. So, for negative usage, we have to use not. Okay, between auxiliary and V3. Okay, in between we have to put not. Let's see one more example. The council will not pass the bill. Take the object, the bill. The bill will not is there, right? So, will not passed by the council. The bill will not passed by the council. Okay. Let's sum up the content. In this module, we learnt rules to transform from active into passive with examples. Observe the rules and use it correctly. Okay. Thank you and happy learning.